Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make shape pictures using Google Jamboard. On the left hand side of your board you will see a toolbar, and about 2/3 of the way down you're going to see a circle. That is your shape icon, and you're going to pick a shape. There are different shapes for you to choose, and you're going to pick one. After you pick one, your arrow is going to turn into a plus sign. And if you're on a laptop or a desktop, you're going to left click and hold down the button, and you're going to make your shape as large or as small as you want it to be. If you want to move your shape, you have to wait until your arrow turns into a little cross, and then you can move it around. When you put the shape where you want it to go, then near the top you're going to see a little paint bucket, and that's where you can turn your shape into a different color. And then you're going to keep on going and making different shapes until you can make a picture the way you want it to. And that's it. Have fun.